Are you preparing for TELC B2 exam and worried about your Schreiben section? So don't worry, because in this video, I will explain you how to write an email in your TELC B2 Schreiben section step by step. How to start the email, how to do all the bullet points, okay, how to solve all the tasks, and how to end the email. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you one full sample TELK2 email, okay, and some useful sentences which you can use in your email. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video. Now we'll see step by step how to write this email and how to cover all the points here, okay. Now first we'll see, you have to ask yourself three questions before writing this email. Who? Who are you writing to? Why? What is the purpose? And what? What must you cover? Right? These things will be not given in your exam, but you have to ask yourself these questions. Now, example task will be Sie möchten Ihre Freundin Anna zum Geburtstag einladen. Write an email. Okay, you want to invite, you would like to invite your friend Anna for your birthday. So write an email to her. And bullet points will be given to you in the exam. One is when, wo is where, was soll sie mitbringen? Meaning, what should she bring? Okay, so these will be the bullet points, and you have to cover all the bullet points here. Answer every single point, right? Don't miss it. Now, here, start with the right greeting. How to start an email? For informal, you can write lieber Anna or lieber Peter. In semi-formal thing, hello Frau Müller, hello Herr Schmidt is fine. And in formal, you have to write sehr geehrte Frau Müller. This is example of this particular type of emails. After the greeting, comma will be there. Suppose you are writing to Anna. It will be lieber Anna, ich möchte dich zu meiner Geburtstagsparty einladen. I would like to invite you for my birthday party. Write a simple introduction. Wie geht es dir? How are you? Ich hoffe dir geht es gut. I hope you are doing well. Ich schreibe dir, weil. I am writing to you because. Ich möchte dich gern zu meiner Party einladen. I would like to invite you to my party. Okay, this is the simple introduction. Simple plus correct is always better than complicated plus mistakes, isn't it? So you have to write simple but correct German. Answer all the bullet points. One was the first bullet point, meaning when. The party ist am Samstag. On Saturday, 18 Uhr at 6 p.m. Wo, where? Die Party findet bei mir zu Hause statt. Okay, it will take place at my place. Was soll sie mitbringen? What should she bring with her? Kannst du bitte einen Kuchen mitbringen? Now you are asking her that can you just please bring cake with you? All three points answered. Just check it whether you have answered, you have covered all the three bullet points. Okay, don't miss any bullet point. Now you can add some connectors in between, like und is and, aber is but, while is because, deshalb is therefore, dann is then, and auch is also. Okay, so your writing will look natural, adding these connectors. In action, die Party ist am Samstag und wir begin am 18. Right? So here you are using und, correct? Am Samstag und wir begin 18 Uhr, right? At 6 p.m. Ich hoffe, du kannst kommen, weil ich mich sehr auf dich freue. Okay, so I hope you come for the party, and it is like you will be happy to see her at the party. Ask or give information clearly. Kannst du kommen? Hast du am Samstag Zeit? Kannst du bitte einen Kuchen mitbringen? Wann kannst du kommen? Kannst du mir bitte helfen? So all this, you can say information, you have to ask clearly. Okay, so this will be the structure, your main body. Now end the email correctly. For informal email, how to end it? Ich freue mich auf deine Antwort. Looking forward for your reply. Ich freue mich, dich zu sehen. Or liebe Grüße, and then your name will come. For formal this thing, viele Grüße or mit freundlichen Grüßen, your name. After liebe Grüße, no comma. Understand this. Okay, after the closing phrase, just liebe Grüße, then your name will come. Right? Understood? Now complete sample answer we'll see here. The task will be, du möchtest deine Freundin Anna zu deiner Geburtstagparty einladen. Wann, wo, was soll sie mitbringen? So this will be the structure of your task. Okay. First task will be given and 3 bullet points will be given to you. Sometimes 4 also. It depends actually. But you have to cover all the bullet points which are given to you. Now final mail will look like this. Liebe Anna, wie geht es dir? Ich hoffe, dir geht es gut. Ich möchte dich gern zu meiner Geburtstagparty einladen. Die Party ist am Samstag um 18 Uhr. Sie findet bei mir zu Hause statt. Kannst du bitte einen Kuchen mitbringen? Ich hoffe, du kannst kommen. Ich freue mich sehr, dich zu sehen. And liebe Grüße, Gauri here. So after liebe Grüße, no comma, your name, but starting liebe Anna or whatever liebe Peter, but after that, comma should be there. Now this is clear? Okay, so this is the sample mail. Even if you write like this, okay, don't just copy it, but take the sample of this and you can write it. But I think this is more than sufficient. Okay, just greetings, then main body and closing. Now here, what you have to do, okay, just one checklist is there. So all the bullet points covered, okay, then check it. Greeting, you have started your email with greeting. Then verb position, you have to look for this. Verb should be at the second position in a normal sentence. Capitalization, die Party, der Kuchen, das Wochenende. So every noun should start with a capital letter. And ending is liebe Grüße or mit freundlichen Grüßen. Okay, this is a one checklist. You can check it after you have written the email. Now don't do these mistakes. Forgetting a bullet point. As I told you earlier, that don't miss any bullet point. Don't forget any bullet point. Whichever bullet points are given to you, please cover those bullet points. Complicated sentences, no complicated sentences, just simple plus correct is always better. Wrong verb position. Now, ich möchte dich besuchen. Okay, so here ich dich möchte besuchen, this is wrong, but it should be ich möchte dich besuchen. Forgetting capitalization. Okay, Party, Kuchen, Samstag, Freundin, all these nouns should start with a capital letter. No proper ending. Suppose always add liebe Grüße or mit freundlichen Grüßen and your name. Okay. If suppose no proper ending is there, so you will lose marks, right? So don't do that mistake. So greeting, then introduction, bullet point, 1, bullet point 2, bullet point 3, whatever bullet points are there. And just start with, end with ending, right? So that was one sample email and some points which you have to cover in your TELC A2 email. Okay, is this clear? So that's all for today, friends. If you find this helpful, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.